Hello my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. So let us continue with chapter number 4, that is more on MS Paint. First, MS Paint is a software that is used for creating pictures on a computer. It provides various tools and colors for drawing and coloring on a computer. In the previous class, we have already worked with various tools and shapes of MS Paint. So let us quickly revise them. First of all, MS Paint is a software by using which you can draw and color anything. For example, if you want to draw a sun, a car, a truck or any other shape or object, then MS Paint provides you various tools and also the variety of colors by using which you can draw anything and you can color that image or color that object. Okay, so now let us see that about the tools which we have discussed in our previous classes. First is an eraser. It helps us to erase what we do not need. So it works like an eraser which we are using in routine. Next is fill with color. We can fill color with it. Then color picker. For example, if you are drawing a house, in the upper part of the house you have used red color. Now you want to use again that red color in the lower part of the house. Then you can use the same color using the color picker tool. Okay, so it helps us to pick the color from one part of the picture and fill it to its other part. Next is magnifier. It gives a larger view of picture. Then pencil. We draw pictures using this tool. Brushes. It helps us to draw pictures with the thick lines. Airbrush. We use it to spray, like a toothbrush painting, we spray the colors using a toothbrush. So here also it works same as a toothbrush and the name is airbrush. So it is used to spray the different colors on the image. Then text. It helps you to type the text. Line. We can draw straight lines with this tool. Rectangle. We draw rectangles and the square with this tool. Last is oval. We draw ovals and circles with this tool. Okay, so these are the shapes about which we have already studied. Now let us learn some more shapes of MS Paint. First is a curve shape. The curve shape is used to draw curves and wavy lines. Okay, so these are the curves. You will see that such curves are used for drawing anything and these are the waves. For example, if you are drawing a water, then you draw this type of line. So this is called the wavy lines. So the curve shape will help you to draw the curves and the wavy lines. So let us see the steps to use this shape are listed below. First, click on the curve shape from the shapes group of home tab. So first go to the home tab and from that select the curve shape. Take the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The plus sign will appear on the screen. Okay, so first you have to take the mouse pointer where you want to draw the curve and then you will see that in the screen a plus sign will be appeared. So now press and drag the left mouse button. Okay, so first you have to press the left mouse button and then you have to drag it. A straight line will be drawn. Then release the button. Take the mouse pointer to the point where the line has to be curved. Okay, so now when you will press the left mouse button and you will drag it, you will see that a straight line will be there, but here you will see that the small dots. Can you see here a small dots is there? So if you want to stretch, then you can drag a mouse and you can stretch like that so that the entire curve will be formed like this. Okay, so take a mouse pointer on the point where the line has to be curved. Now drag the left mouse button to make a curved line and click to end. Adjust the shape using the sizing handles and click again. Okay, so can you see here, these are the sizing handles. These dots are called the sizing handles. So you can resize your curve however you want, stretching and dragging this sizing handles. Okay, so this is how you can draw the curve shape. Next shape is polygon shape and the shape is this. The polygon shape is used to draw with straight lines. Okay, so if you want to draw the straight line, close the straight and straight lines. The various steps to use the shape are listed below. First is click on the polygon shape from the same way as we have already opened the curve shape. So here also you can First go to the Home tab and from that Shapes group select the polygon shape. Select a color from the color box. So the shape you have to select polygon and the color you can select from the color box. Select the required option from the menu from Shapes group of Home tab and draw the polygon with or without outline. Okay, so first you have to select the polygon tool and then you can draw the polygon. It means a polygon can have any sides. You can draw a triangle, a rectangle, a square and any shape which you want using this polygon tool. Okay, so without, you can draw a polygon which can be with outline and without outline also. Draw a line using the mouse pointer as we did in the curve shape and then release the mouse button. Click and drag from the end point of the first line to the point where the second is to end. To close the figure, join the end point of the last line drawn to the straight point of the figure. Okay, so can you see that first this line will be drawn, then this line will be drawn and this line will be drawn. If you want a triangle, then you have to stretch this line to this to form this triangle. If you want this triangle, then first this and this will be drawn. So you have to stretch this line like that. Okay, so you have to stretch the lines up till the shape you want is completed. So to close the figure, you have to join the end point of the last line that is drawn to the straight point of the figure and the triangle is drawn. Adjust the shape using the sizing handles and click again. Okay, so this is how you can draw the polygon shape. One activity is given, that is to draw the hamster. Okay, so I suggest you all to look that activity and see the solutions also. So now we will move forward to the menu bar. What is a menu bar? The menu bar has many commands that can be used in MS Paint. Each command has various options. So let us learn about some options of the Paint menu. Okay, so you will see that in the menu bar, File, New, Open, Save, Print, like that options are available and each software have the menu bar. So let us see that which options are available in this MS Paint menu bar. First is New. To make a new drawing, we need to create a new file. Okay, so whatever drawing you want to make, you have to create a new file for create or drawing that figure or the image. So let us see the steps to create a new file that are listed below. First, click on the Paint menu. From the Paint menu, click on the New option and the new blank file will open. Okay, so let us see that first you have to go to the Paint menu, that will be here, then the first option selected, that is New, and you will see that here the blank area or the blank file will be opened. Next is Save. If you want to see or use our work later, we have to store it. Storing the work in a computer is called saving. For example, if you have finished drawing half of your house, now your time is up or your period is over. You want to continue drawing the same house again in the next period, then for storing your work, you have to save it. So that process is called saving in a computer. The various steps to save the work done in MS Paint are listed below. First, again click on the Paint menu to choose the Save or Save As option. After that, you will see a Save As dialog box will appear. Type the name of the file in the file name box. Choose the location for the file in the Save In box and then save it by clicking on the Save button. The file will be saved with .png extension name. Okay, so first go to the Paint menu. So this is the Paint menu, then select the Save option and you will see the Save As dialog box will be appeared. First, then you have to type the name here and the extension will be PNG. Find the location that will be available here and finally click on the Save button and your file will get saved with .png extension name. Now third is Open. Once we have saved the file, we can open it for later use. Okay, so after we have saved the file, now again in the next period you want to open the same file, then how to open it? So let us see the steps to open a file that are listed below. First, again click on the Paint menu and choose the Open option. Then the Open dialog box will be appeared. Select the location of the file in the Look In box. Select the file from the list and then click on the Open button or double click on the file name to open it. The file will open and appear in the MS Paint window. So again you have to go to Paint button, then click on the Open option and this Open dialog box will be appear. Then you have to search your file in the Look In box. After searching it, just click on the Open button or double click on the file and your file will be opened in the MS Paint window. Okay, so this is how you can open your file that is already existed. Then print. We can print a drawing or the picture made in MS Paint with the help of printer. The various steps to take a printout are listed below. First, click on the Paint menu and select the Print option. A print dialog box will appear. Select a printer you are having from the list. Specify the number of copies to be printed. Select all or type the page number in the page range section. Click on the print button to take the printouts. For example, you have completed your drawing. You have already drawn a house. Now you want the printout of their house. Then how you can take a print? So again go to the print, then go to the print option. So first go to Paint menu and then select the print option. After that you will see that here the name of the printer is there. So select the name of the printer you are having, then number of copies, 1 copy, 2 copy, 3 printout, 4 printout, how many you want. Then all the pages, or you can select the range of the page by typing the page number for the print you want. Finally click on the print button and the printouts will be in your hand. The last option is close. How to close the MS Paint? The various steps to close the MS Paint program are listed below. First, click on the Paint menu, click on the Exit option. So it is very simple to close or exit from the MS Paint. Or we can simply click on the Close button. So this is the Close button. You can simply click on the Close button and your MS Paint will be closed. In the right upper corner of the Paint window, to close the MS Paint, the computer will ask if we want to save the file by displaying a message. We can reply by clicking on yes or no button. So when you will click on the Close button, one message will be there in front of you that you are working, that file is saved or not. If you want to save that file, then click on the yes, else on the no button. If we click on the Cancel button, MS Paint will not close and we can continue working on it. Okay, so 3 buttons will be available. First is yes, second is no, and third is cancel. So if you want to save your file, click yes and your MS window will be closed. No, then click on no and your MS window will be closed. While clicking on the Cancel button, that dialog box will be disappear and again you can continue working on your MS Paint. Okay, so these are the options which are available in the Paint menu. Now let us see the another topic, that is set as desktop background. How to set a wallpaper in the background. So a wallpaper is the background of the desktop screen. So whenever you will open your laptop, your PC, you will find some image will be there. So that is called the background image. So how we can change the background image? We can set our drawing as the wallpaper on your computer. So if you have drawn a house, now you want to set that house in the background image. Whenever you will open your PC, you will find that image of the house will be there. So how we can set our drawing as the wallpaper? So let us see the steps. First, make a drawing in MS Paint and then save it. Click on the Paint menu and select the Set as Background option. Select one of the 3 options. First is Fill, second is Title and third is Center. And the drawing will be set as the wallpaper. Okay, so first you have to go to Paint menu, then select Set as Background option, and there in the drop down menu 3 options will be there: Fill, Title and Center. Select any of the options and your drawing will be set as the wallpaper. Okay, so here we are finishing our chapter number 4. Then some keywords are there. So these keywords you have to write in your computer notebook, and other exercises are also there, like choose the correct, true, false, etc. So all that exercises you have to write in your computer textbook, while only the keywords and the question answers you have to write in your computer notebook. Okay, so exercise A, B and C you have to write in your textbook, and the keywords and exercise D, that is question answers, you have to write in your computer notebook. Okay students, for now, bye bye, have a great day ahead.